Right now? Yeah. I'm recording right now. What's up guys? It's me Zeno is back. So pasensya na nga pala kayo kung medyo natagalan na ako sa pag-upload ng video kasi alam niyo na, busy ako sa buhay. So may nakilala nga pala ako ditong bata na ang pangalan ay what is your name again? Oh, Claribel. Claribel. Pilipino to guys pero grabe yung accent niya. Uh, how much is that idol again? How much is that animation again? Oh, dang. That's too much. I mean, that's too much. For me, that's too much. So, ayan guys, pinili ko na nga pala yung bagong room dito, no? Tara. Come, come, come. Ow! I'm lagging. Oh. Let's go, let's go. Dang. The game is too lag. Let's go. How? How do I claim this? How do I claim this? Yo. Sheesh. This is my room now. Ya, kanina ka pang nangahampas. Michael Jackson, Michael Jackson. Anong ginagawa mo diyan? Paihi. She's in Philippines she's saying paihi. Um how? Michael Jackson, Michael Jackson, Michael Jackson. So guys, napalaban ako ng ano dito guys, ng English yan. Siyempre pinakilala tayong bata. Si Michael Jackson guys oh, English lang naiintindihan. Me? On what? YouTube or Facebook? ZenRBX. Wanna see my content? Oh, okay, okay, okay. My name is Chinese Blueman. Oh, nice to meet you. Yo, what's up, dude? Yo, what you doing? Right now. Let's take a picture. Let's take a pic. Right here. Okay, let's go. Stand here. Stand right there. No. I mean in the wall. Yeah. Yo, get up, bro. Get out. I mean, like this, like on me, like mine. Oh, okay. Get out, man. Okay, I get to the picture. Zero is too annoying. Yeah, bro. Okay, done. Okay. That's us. Okay. Yo, shout out to all of my friends on this game. Okay, done. Thank you guys. Thank you. So, ganito lang muna ang video natin guys. Bye bye.